So I built this business out 4 years ago, and it is incredible. As Lenny talked about, the time where I was at his house, I spent the night last year, and 5 o'clock, 5:30 in the morning, I had already generated 6,000 plus in sales. And most of that, about 99% of that, came in from the membership. There were some people that bought products and things like that overnight as well, but it was the membership kicking in, boom, 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 and that happens every single day. I didn't even check my sales yet this morning, but I guarantee that there's a significant amount of money that's there. So here's how it works. Number one, we do what? This is huge right here. We want to make a lot of money. We don't want to make a little bit of money, right? Who agrees? We want to make a lot of money. So if you want to make a little bit of money, you go in and you find markets that deal with people who collect flying pig tumblers. Not that many of them out there, right? But if you go in and you find a market where, they're into niche, knitting, or fishing, or biking, hunting, any of the other niches that you guys mentioned earlier, then there's a lot of people here. So we want a huge market. Now traditionally, when it comes to internet marketing, you'll hear people talk about go after niche markets. Why? Because it's easier to be a big fish in a small pond. We want to take this the opposite way. The next thing we're doing what? Selling digital content. So Word docs, ebooks, audios, videos, PDFs. Right now we're selling ebooks on Amazon, but we're expanding that, right? Then after that, we add this, the paid monthly membership component to it. We outsource everything, or we use PLR. We incorporate SOPs so that we have systems, so that you're hands off once you get the business up and running. You have this sense of freedom here that comes into play. You make lots of money off of it. So, to reiterate, find a huge market, sell digital content to them. We use a funnel. This is another crucial part of it right here, because the funnel allows us to increase our AOL, average order, AOV, average order value. So we took a customer from what? Who remembers? $7 to over $200. That alone, when I first discovered that, I was not able to sleep, because I understood the potential of it. You're now using the same model that you would normally use to sell someone on something, but instead of introducing them to just one product, you're now able to, can you guys see? You can see? You're now able to introduce them to multiple products, and then your continuity, your subscription, your monthly, right? So there's a lot into that.